If you care about your future, then this video is for you because we're going to talk about how to express future plans in English by using the phrase or verb is going to. So get ready, here we go. So we use this construction is going to in two main ways. The first is when we are making a prediction. It's really cold. I'm sure it's going to snow tomorrow. Or, you're studying a lot. I'm confident you are going to pass the exam tomorrow. We can also use going to talk about our future plans, and this is very common. So let's practice this. I'm going to be a teacher when I'm older. Or in the negative, he's not going to play football anymore. Or as a question, are you going to buy a new t-shirt? We'll discuss the forms in a minute, but let's talk about how to use this construction. We use am, is, or are with going to plus the infinitive. I am going to write my homework tonight. They are going to watch a film this weekend. And for negative sentences, we use not after the helping verb. Am, is, or are. So let's practice. I'm not going to read that book. He's not going to ride a bike. He isn't going to ride a bike. They're not going to visit us. Or said differently, they aren't going to visit us. All right, let's practice a few more sentences so that you understand the form, and then I'm going to have you do some homework. I'm going to come tomorrow. Or in the negative, you are not going to see me today. Negative, she's not going to stop. Positive, we are going to swim next week. Predictive and negative, you are not going to finish the game today. They are going on holiday on the weekend. Now, let's practice. I would like you to send me in the comments some of your plans for this week or this month or this year or in your school or your job, and practice using is going to. So tell me about your future plans or predictions, and I'll correct the sentences that I read in the comments. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And if you have any friends who are learning English, tell them about this beginner series. Now, let's practice this form, going to, in question form. Are you going to visit them today? Are you going to play golf? Is she going to begin studying English? Are we going to finish the games soon? When are they going to leave? I hope that this short video has proven helpful to understand how we use going to. Remember, in predictions and future plans, practice it by giving me sentences in the comments below, and also underneath this video in the caption are links to more practice if you desire that. Thank you, and see you next Monday.